This is how the hair came out. It is so cute. And I think this is the cutest Valentine's Day hairstyle. What's up, my wealthy babies? I'm back with another video, and girl got a date to prepare for, okay? Valentine's Day is coming up, and I got a little early Valentine's date to go to. I'm not sure what I wanted to do with my hair, but all I know is I'm gonna do something, okay? I was on Pinterest earlier and I saw this very, very cute hairstyle that I wanted to do and I wanted to try, but I felt like let's give it a little twist and do it with my 4C thick hair, okay? So this is the hairstyle that I seen on Pinterest. I'm gonna show y'all the end of it, and I think it's real cute. Well, let me go ahead and get ready for this date so I can look cute and show y'all how I did this hairstyle. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is how I'm looking. My hair is washed. It's in a ponytail. Y'all see what I'm talking about? My hair is so thick. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this hairstyle, but we're gonna figure out a way. We're gonna make it work. So what I'm gonna do is, it's a section by itself in the front, but in the back of the hair, it has 4 sections in the back parted, and then it has 1 section in the front. So either what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna part it down the middle and then put a part straight down the 2 ponytails that's gonna be in the back. So I think that's gonna be easy. Alright, so while I'm parting my hair, I'm gonna get real vulnerable with you guys right now, okay? And I wanna say that as a black woman with thick 4C hair, I have always had the challenge with accepting my hair in its natural state. Growing up, at the age of 5, I had a perm, and I know that sounds pretty ridiculous, but I was always told that my hair was so thick, it was hard to manage. And I think the part was, it really wasn't hard to manage. It was the fact of, I was a child that was very tender-headed, and just sitting and letting people do my hair was a lot for me. But I grew up thinking that my hair was very, very hard to manage because my hair was so thick and it was impossible to do anything with it without actually putting a perm in my hair or straightening it or blow drying it. And one thing that I've been working on with growing my hair back was putting less heat on my hair. And even though I'm not putting any heat on my hair right now, I've been noticing that I kind of been hiding my hair. I put it in a ponytail real quick, or I slap a wig on. Now, don't get me wrong, I'ma always keep my wigs. Wigs to me is a part of my creativity. It's part of my art, you know? But in the real world, in my life, I need to embrace my hair and understand how beautiful it is. So this year, I promised myself to take care of my hair, not to hide it from the world, not to think negatively about my hair, but to actually understand how my hair is, how to maintain my hair, and to fall back in love with it. You know, I never knew what my natural hair actually looked like without a perm, without color, without a flat iron, without a blow dryer. But with this year, I'm gonna actually try so many different hairstyles as much as I can and learn to fall back in love with the hair that God gave me, because I'm blessed to have all this hair on my head and I'm blessed to do this hairstyle today. So now what I'm about to do before I actually slick down my hair is moisturize my hair. One thing about my hair is it is like a sponge, so it absorbs moisture very, very easy. Okay, and I have been sent this nice product right here, that this is a plant-based product that is black owned and woman owned. The name of the company, it is called Safo Hair, and this is their Curl Creme. This is best for girls that have curly hair, whether you have loose waves, tight curls. This curl right here is good for all types of curls and textures. It lasts long, holds, and ensure your curl stays in place throughout the day. Without feeling stiff or crunchy, this curl cream will have your hair feeling good and have you feeling confident. It is lightweight and no greasy formulas. And also, this curl cream is easy to apply. And let me not forget to mention, it tames your frizz and also your flyaways while adding shine and moisture to your hair. And this is everything that I need today. Okay, the products I've been getting this year has been something that I absolutely need to show you guys. This smells good. Oh, I gotta add some more. You know I got thick hair, so I can't just work with a little bit of product. I have to have a lot of product in my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit of eco to my hair, just a little bit. This should be enough, right? What y'all think? This should be enough. Alright, so to slick down my hair, I think I'm going to go in with the Pure Natural product right here, just so I can slick down my hair. And then to brush it, I'm gonna go in with one of these little bad boys, just so I can get it like as neat as possible. Cause using a big comb, a big brush is just gonna be in the way. We don't want that, so I'm gonna put this on my hair to slick it down.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meat-based.
She probably told him. Yeah. It's true up their thing. All the pre also say it's true up their thing. So if we could shoot it, maybe actually I was calling you so we can decide on a day. But I know I was fine, I was looking smart. Okay, vacation like that. We still working? Like the music side, the sleep stuff.
Alright y'all, I just got done slicking down my hair and putting each section into a ponytail. Now what I'm doing is I'm creating the buns. This is the most easiest part of this hairstyle. There's no perfect way of how your bun should look. Just create a bun to your own liking. That's what I'm doing. And all I'm doing is making sure that I fix the bun and take a little bit of hair out and curling it up just so it could give a little dimension, a little oomph to this hairstyle so it could be extra cute to my liking. So for the rest of the video, that's what I'm basically going to be doing, is creating a bun. So y'all sit still and continue watching and see how I execute this hairstyle.
You can't be one that stay the same, because that's how it works. Like, everything is always changing. I don't know if I should change out really. I kind of thought it was cute then, but I don't want to be like one of people where it's just like, girl, I'm not going to take out. But yeah, let me fluff my hair. Everybody's called me today, but I ain't been there, so I'm busy. But I kind of liked it. Made me so emotional watching them, and I guess for because she is like on her second cancer treatment, like her hair is really starting to like come out a lot, and I was like so worried because I'm like, her hair is she's losing her hair, and it's like it's changing the texture of her hair. So it's like when I watch it, super huge blessing, and I don't know if that blessing is coming in the form of monetary, is it coming emotionally, is it coming physically, is it romantic? I don't know what's the shit. I was able to be very honest. I was able to get stuff off my chest, say what I need to say, and just be like, you know what? Thank you.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look of how my hair is looking, and I'm actually rocking with it. I will also rock this on a regular day. It doesn't even have to be a date for Valentine's Day, and I will wear this because it's so cute. It's low maintenance, nothing for the girls that have 4C hair and do not feel like dealing with a hairstyle that requires so much effort. This is perfect, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna actually do this hairstyle again. I like it. I think it's cute. So yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think. Like always, leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then what? You missing out on some good content, girl. So definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram. All that will be linked in below. Stay tuned for next week's video. Bye, my babies.